Is Narendra Modi a good prime minister or a bad prime minister? Give me your opinion. Is he strong?
Yes, sir. With respect to international relations, he has really taken India to a very great level in the
Are you
global.
proud of that?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Do you agree with what he's saying?
सिद्धांत है हम घर में घुस के मारेंगे चुन चुन करके हिसाब लेना ये मेरी फितरत है सातवें पाताल में होंगे उनको भी मैं छोड़ने वाला नहीं
बताओ.
Yes, sir. It was in 2016. Uri.
जब भी बोला. Do you agree with what he's saying?
Yes, sir. It was done for
हमारा
the.
सिद्धांत है घर में घुस के मारेंगे. ये हमारा सिद्धांत है.
Sir, that was done to protect our territorial.
मैं कुछ और पूछ रहा हूँ. जो इसने कहा है हमारा सिद्धांत है. झूठ बोल रहे हैं ये.
Sir, as far as I could recall, it's not none. That something like that is not written in our constitution. But then Article 3.
It will not be written in your constitution. Which article what?
355.
Says what? घर में घुस के मारो.
Like we can protect our motherland if required. Center
तो
can.
क्या बोल रहा है? घर में घुस के मारूंगा. That's protect destroying the other fellow. इसका background क्या है बेटी?
So we have the right to protect our motherland, and if required, we can have of a realistic
We can?
action. Offensive realism is
So
something.
therefore, if these guys are talking about severing chicken's neck, I should go and hit them
If
to
they
protect
threaten,
my territory.
yes, sir. If they threaten to cut us, the cut
That's
and
what they're
not.
doing. They're making statements every day. Plus, they are killing Hindus. Time is right now. घर में घुस के मारूं कि नहीं मारूं?
So they are just making statements. They are not doing anything
How do you know?
as of.
Are you waiting for them to do something?
No, sir. Preemptive strike is required, but they are
Therefore,
not.
करूं कि नहीं करूं?
करना चाहिए सर अगर जरूरत पड़े.
चलिए अब मान गई है हमारी बेटी. Sir?